and today we're going to be reading the last installment of the unfinished memoirs. So after that, we're going to be reading his own personal diary. How cool is that? So anyway, let's read it. 1975. On the 25th of January, the country switched over to the presidential system of government, and Mujib took over as the president of the republic. On the 24th of February, the Bangladesh Krishak Shramik Awami League, comprising all the political parties of the country, was launched. On the 25th of February, Mujib called upon all political parties and leaders to join the National Party. He felt the need to make Bangladesh a self-reliant nation by reducing dependence on foreign aid. He significantly revised economic policies to achieve the goal of self-reliance. He launched the Second Revolution to make independence meaningful and ensure food, clothing, shelter, Medicare, education, and generate employment for the people. The objectives of the revolution were elimination of corruption, boosting production of mills, factories and fields, population control, and establishment of national unity. Mujib received an unprecedented response to his call to achieve economic freedom by uniting the entire nation. The economy started picking up rapidly. Production increased, the prices of essentials came down, and imbued with hope, people came forward to help extend the benefits of independence to every doorstep. However, in the pre-dawn hours of the 15th of August, the noblest and greatest of Bengalis, the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the architect of Bangladesh and the father of the nation, was assassinated by a handful of ambitious and treacherous military officers. On that day, his wife, Begum Fazila Tunisa, his eldest son, Sheikh Kamal, second son, Lieutenant Sheikh Jamal, youngest son, Sheikh Russell, two daughters-in-law, Sultana Kamal and Rosie Jamal, his brother Sheikh Nasir, brother-in-law and agriculture minister Abdur Rab Surniabat, and his daughter Baby Surniabat, son Arif Surniabat, grandson Sukanta Abdullah, and nephew Shahid Surniabat, Mujib's nephew, youth leader and journalist Sheikh Fazul Haq Moni, and his pregnant wife Arzu Moni, his military secretary Colonel Jamil, and a 14-year-old boy Rintu were killed. Altogether, the assassins murdered 16 persons. Martial law was imposed in the country after the killing of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Democracy was done away with and basic rights were snatched away. Thus began the politics of killing, coup, and conspiracy. The people's rights to food and vote were taken away. There was an international provision to hold trials of killers and to protect human rights around the world. Unfortunately, in Bangladesh, a law was enacted on 26th of September under a martial law ordinance indemnifying the self-proclaimed killers of Mujib from any trial. Having captured power illegally through a military coup d'etat, General Ziaur Rahman stained the Constitution by incorporating the infamous Indemnity Ordinance, the Fifth Amendment to the Constitution. He rewarded the killers by assigning them to Bangladesh diplomatic missions abroad. The Indemnity Ordinance, which is against basic human rights, had to be repealed, and the killers are to be punished to restore rule of law in the country. After Mujib's daughter Sheikh Hasina came to power at the head of an Awami League government on the 23rd of June 1996, on the 2nd of October a case was filed in the Dhanwandi police station against those involved in the murder of the father of the nation, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and his family members. On the 12th of November, the Jatiyo Sangsad annulled the Indemnity Ordinance. The trial began on the 1st of March 1997 in the court of the Dhaka district and sessions judge. On the 8th of November 1998, the judge of the court, Qazi Ghulam Rasool, delivered a 76-page verdict in which he sentenced 15 of the accused to death. On the 18th of November 2000, two judges gave a split judgment. The matter was then referred to a third judge of the High Court, who ruled decisively in favor of upholding the death sentence on 12 of the accused. 5 of the convicted prisoners then filed leave to appeal with the appellate division of the court. When the Bangladesh Nationalist Party Jamaat Alliance was in power from 2002 to 2006, it dropped the case from the cause list. A bench was finally formed to hear the case in 2007. On the 19th of November 2009, after 29 days of hearings, a judicial bench comprising the Chief Justice and 4 other judges rejected the appeal. Thereafter, on the 27th of January, 4 judges also dismissed the review petition. The following midnight, that is, on the 28th of January, 5 of the assassins were executed. One of the assassins had died, while a fugitive from justice overseas and 6 are still hiding in other countries. This was written around 2014. However, the demand that the murderers be tried had finally been addressed 34 years after the assassination of Mujib and the murder of his family members. August 15, 1975 is the blackest day in Bangladesh's history. The nation observes it as the National Mourning Day. Alright, that's it. And tomorrow, we're going to be reading Sheikh Mujib's diary. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.